Now I'm going to have here. My catcher will say MPP, me who am some ye nine, me do go boom, and I'll keep feeding you people shit because I'm Jimmy. So way, you know, on a normal day, and Kame responded because this guy is just 39 years, he's a kid. Before my first girlfriend, now we were JSS. He's a young boy. In fact, the day we election where MPP more. Nana be free why do we be sure na Samia will catch him as a party no go. Where he's a kid. Or a small boy, 39-year-old kid. You're breaking the virginity and do 10 years. And also I got a bottle with Jimmy. And I know me, yeah, say, you get these kind of people thinking, say, they can use me to win their next election in the party. No. Obiani MPP will be to make them a campaign, retaining the position in the MPP. Me, I don't give relevance to such people. I acquire 39 years. Me find my first girlfriend, no JSS, way acquire. Umusibia okasa or panty. The one ya second time. Way or yara for he's still not there. If NPP in opposition, they are relying on such people to, at the end of the day, come to power, then the MPP has collapsed. We, you're trying to be more, or you're got to bottle, Nikrum, your friend Capre, we, or your Capre. And they say NPP for a press conference. Young boy with 39-year-old boy, small boy. You're breaking the virginity, do 10 years. Also, Jimmy, or Kasa Jimmy. NPP some boko demonstration, matana support, you say, Munko. What are you saying? A whole political party. What person we call demonstration? In your head, you know, you may be cause a mompe. I buy now my green lights. The police are saying you can go. What is the noise about Kevin Taylor and this and this? What do you get? MPP Nibia or Nimnyansebia will not vote for you and retain you as National Youth Organizer. Whoa. Some junior must say more executives no more meeting and maybe we need popularity or more party retaining with city there and the more we ja. The NPP base no omo nyankwasi afu. Enti se mo pe message papa bi a mo mfa nko kapre. Kwateboto ukrom sa na mo frɛ kwateboto kapre pe message papa. Na me dwen say na obegina TV so ka say Kevin Taylor say we teni aboa no ka obeka say Kevin Taylor say me kwateboto wan kanka ho ukrom ye frɛ kapre. Enyanga pre kapre ukrom sa na frɛ wo enyanga pre kapre kwateboto yani akanfo mbete party achemfo ne asantifo ndi sika na wo teni aboa na wo be defende kwasia wagimi. The same as Salak Nenjie no nanam ho no. The two fin I say bidie ka ohun no okona se oyi ni boxes a. Sa Salak Nenjie no bema we o hwe ne to de nana oyi ni boxes a. I say binika. The two fin and you are despicable dirty people. At this point, you know, you are calling for a demonstration. Why nembedi wechi? Omo mu di wechi when any momo. En confirm gina wechi a we press conference. Who knows them? You are talking about a government intimidating people, suppressing its citizens. I know sometimes, you know, I don't want to waste too much time on you, Salam Mustapha. You are just 39 years. You are a kid. Acheampong roll his time when you be. You don't understand life. At this age, you are not even healthy. You don't have that gas to be able to stand your pace. You don't. Nyangere pa kapre. Mejun sa woka se Kevin Taylor se me eteni aboa nka obeka se Kevin Taylor se Messiah kwateboto. Ane na no wan kanka ho. Enyanga kapre we Jimmy. Opesa o kire se ende obi adibone na aban ensa kana ebi nsida. Usu kwa demonstration. Me say I support it. Go. San confirm do wechi hwan am na di wechi no. Omo amugu wechi wo saa dia wo ye mu no saa nkofrom gu wechi omo ya hwana mo on se we Jimmy ende ukwasi ampanyi Bawumia se be press conference na kwa demonstration na dwen se omo mo party na mudi o matem no omo Jimmy nti na omo sorry di wo wechi enti Kennedy for the Jimmy nti Omo mo party na mo suppressor wo yete ha na mo party we mo pai alanchremantin ne agent ni to kwasiafo mo party mo pai alanchremantin ni agent ni election internal election mo pai ni Michael Kweka so ohwehwe mbesi nne ohwehwe mu wiye why okwate bottle abegina na Kevin Taylor and him kapre kwate bottle near to krom ha. Let me remind you, Jimmy. Man arrested, remanded in police custody for raining insult to the Kufuado. Salam Mustapha, person NPP youth organizer, 39 years, and away Jimmy Sano. They be a catcher mo MPP for and tough on MPP mu say, mu prove mu hondodo, and mamu Jimmy for mumubi, munta for na mu MPP muno. Achem for any asante for medi power, no mun first canon co, and quabruchi, and famo mumba. Na ye na awochira ba na wuteni aboa wo na wo be defend the party no. Na party no, the stronghold Eastern and Ashanti. Where he na free. Capre. This is 2020 time and more power. 24. Somebody insulted the Kufuado. He was arrested. I know refuse my way. The law was the law then. And I'm Jimmy, 39 years pet. Your uncle for 60 years of party. They have everything. This party, they have treated them like animals. What any? And told you and say, the whole Ghana will come and follow you. Say, okay, demonstration on what? I'm showing you. This is what you are demonstrating against. Capre. Calculation. It was your government. A young man went to stand in front of UGMC and said, say, open the damn hospital for Ghana for to go and get ayaresa kwasia. You people arrested a young man just showing a placard. Capre, kwatiboto, tenya bua. Inyangre pa capre, okasa jimimu. This is all under your government. You are going on demonstration. Nobody is fighting you. Go on a demonstration. Like I will tell you how the budget fancy. Men are me control party no. We a Jimmy. Just 39-year-old kid. You don't know anything. You don't know how to communicate. You cannot even put your thoughts together. Press conference how you almost almost so akwa Jimmy ana. Omo no mji wechi won omo ya wana mo. Capre. Kwateboto Jimmy. Me na metuma ma obi ehu se me na medi party enim hwe. Hwe. Ye di sika gu table so ani ye che ne ese me safe won emeje omo de. Omo na omo ka me say, omo na omo nim sika nim. Ye di sika ni wie a wokwase ampanyi tani aboa begina se me na me be defend the party. Me kira wo de party ye. Next time we have press conference na be bom din a kasa Kevin Taylor say me yetani aboa e na me saye kwateboto kapre abofunu. Ma men kira wo under NPP Apia Stadium body ni guka muti say body e na mode ne kon kran. Yase Apia Stadium didi Ekufuado atem keke one threaten the life. Kapre Salam Mustapha kwasia Inyagre kapre asantefo akanfo party na wo be bulldozer wenim o bodam entinka wo be Jimmy hu say no na Ghana youth nyina jai de omo ye adan a koteboto koye demonstration ti yemfa ye kran ko na kede de Japan supporters ne jai kwasia alanka supporter mo pai nani to the day you na samia wuku from catch him say party ne gu wo Jimmy. Inyagre kapre, teni abua. Na me dwen so be ka say Kevin Taylor say me kwateboto, na nko bia o flap. Now they are chile Ghana for so onye kwateboto. 39-year-old boy. Now kura the Rollins amamu okura we hu bi. Akwa we pa Jimmy fo. Small boy. Me chile de wa ban ye. O si ende enye dey. Wo kwateboto ye nto nyum mfra wo kwa demonstration. Do obi esi kwan. Ah? Obi esi ukwan wa Ghana se benye demonstration. Kwateboto. Team, I saw it. Thank you very much. I'll use it. Salam Mustapha. 39-year-old boy. Small man. Akwara Jimmy. Now, my mention idea. Ojan Salam Mustapha. Oh, the boys we pa. Metro under MPP. NDC commander Kandawu jail 10 years for inciting violence. Ninyana mbrani yejuma under Ekufuado 2024. Inyagre kapre kwateboto Salam Mustapha. Hana mujisa gala ni etino yeti kantembi mu. Salam Mustapha, you are just a kid. I don't spend energy on you because mentally you are weak. You think being a youth organizer is speaking like a dog. No. Being a youth organizer is being strategic, strategically intelligent, smart. Wait, Jimmy, we are very weak-minded. You think when you come and you say this, that it will ginger somebody to follow you. Yes, a demonstration. And sometimes when I hear people talk about Kevin Taylor and I saw back court, now warrant last meeting say girls be come ask them. And make us say, so you intelligent pa. That's a okofa document na yedeko court na metroko court na. You will see say the Trump statement called court no. I petition the IGP and I petition the National Security and petition the Immigration Office. Into the court knew, the immigration knew, the National Security knew I was coming to Ghana. I had petitioned everyone. Into Kwasiebit TV, so Kevin Taylor now warrant done. So you are a foolish idiot. You don't even understand. So you pick the document and read it. What is the lawyers have used? You have no knowledge about anything. Kevin Taylor about Ghana and and I'm say I petitioned the CID, the Ghana Police Service, Ghana, the case was court. I am coming to Ghana. I petitioned the immigration and I petitioned the National Security of Ghana. Go read the petition. You don't read. And then the document is there. Go and pick it and read it. In Ghana, no, all the security agencies knew that I'm coming to Ghana and my case is in the court. Jimmy, they know I've petitioned them. So somebody is coming to the country to go to court. It is a big crowd to me or Ghana. The government of Ghana will be held accountable because I had petitioned the security. They even have to make sure I go to court. Jimmy, you are daft and dumb. Go and get a document and read it. You speak anyhow. Because you can't say kutuma. No more say moi. Last me girl be. I don't want to go there. I don't want to do this because Nyansa no form. Now, Salam Mustapha. These are some of the things he wrote. Me wiana machira DB. Sanyama we no try time na power. This is 2012. Time na NDC what power. These are some of the things he wrote. These NDC pigs. Salam Mustapha. Kwateboto Salam Mustapha. Inyagre kapre. 39-year-old boy wuti penme. Kwasia. Me try me GSS we now wo primary. Me try me GSS me final exams. Now wo primary. Why do you form? You are very foolish. NPP didn't know Jimmy for somebody like you to be their youth organizer. As some of the 2012 ni na Mahama ne power. These NDC pigs and then because NPP for a pig letter. Obise Kevin Taylor who did that term kwasia we. Kwasia we. Jimmy ni we. Tenya boa. Yani akamfondi sika na ume defendi. Me catch them MPP for the be, Monta for the be MPP no, Mumudu do no Jimmy. They will use you as slaves. Me na mode campaign. Mimi Dean and I'm mode campaign in Chamwa. Salam Mustapha in 2012, 31st January. Say no Troy. I say these MPP pigs and swines are just too pissing. Where are these bunch of zombies coming from? So Nanado cannot just do anything in this country. One words I will use here 2012. These are the words he used. Nyagere kapre, kwati boto, abua. Wo no ba be share chiro ko bathroom ko horo kwati ho. Kwati mu fin. A young boy like you, 39-year-old boy. Then he goes on to say, Nanado goes on a listening tour. This same bunch of punks insult him. We do a prayer service and still Nanado is being insulted. Why? He goes on to say this. How much do talk of this half-dead walking corpse who shits on himself? Mills is an occult and an insult to Christianity that he fronts with the religion. One word to use here. How much do talk of this half-dead walking corpse of Fred Mills, half-dead walking corpse? Kwasiawi, a 39-year-old boy. Politics in tea. Salam Mustapha. Kwasia. 10-year boy. Of Fred Mills say, or a half-walking corpse. Kwasiawi. And then sometimes, Mustafa, Salam Mustapha. Then people know me Jimmy. Me am a party no more Jimmy. Okote hu fin. Oko jantra for ma wo robe ma wansa no ba da. Also ye NPP national organizer. These are the things you said. These are the words you used at Atta Mills. You are 39 years. You are walking around today also person ye we are the demonstration. We say go. Obiansi hu kwan. Go and do the demonstration. Kevin tell her day. What was some kind? Or see, Atta Mills is a half-dead walking corpse who shits on himself. Or see, Atta Mills or ye tiasiwa or nene ho kwasia we. Mustafa Salam the bien and Okan asem way, and he was bold to work in Ghana. Mustafa Salam. And the original TV so say Obi akasa o Ghana me ache no into a demonstration. This boy was just 26 years old. Time I not tried, we did 26 years. Satan number 2 coin, na me ni Ghana. I was hustling outside. Now kwasia we just 26 years. Not a 100 minute. You heard the things he wrote. You heard the words he used. My man read it back control. Mustafa Salam. Aqua Wéàpons. Wetiti. July 19th, 2012. Shensemi or Troy. Thank you very much, team. Or say, stupid fools. No, I did 26 years. I've already 39 years. Also, I NPP National Youth Organizer. I've already 39 years. So, time I'm not ultra some we did 26. Stupid fools, morons. It is Mills who is a drunkard and destroyed his life. Mills' rotten truth, cancer, should be their concern. No, I did just 26 years. And the your press conference about me a comedy. Kwati boto inyagre kapre. Inyagre kapre. Ukrum. Sani efre kwati boto. Inyagre kapre. Me chraw wo. Then I waste my energy. Wo, Mustafa Salam. Now MPP no mo yam nyantra. Now how can you be a national youth organizer in MPP? Mami reading chraw stupid fools. Where July 19, 2012. Stupid fools or catch the MPP for catch the Mills. Morons. It is Mills who is a drunkard and destroyed his life. Mills' rotten throat cancer should be their concern. Mills cannot stand unless he's given shots of heroin. Kwasiafuo. Mills cannot stand unless he's given shots of heroin. Kwasiafuo, it's Nanado these pigs want to insult. Punk of majority caucus. Odiatema could di MP Satema or more parliament. No, we did 26 years. Now we did 26 years. And did it end there? Let me show you what he did on social media. Mustapha Salam. Inyagre kapre. Kwate boto. Wey. Mamenchira. Owie undio. This is what he put on social media against Atta. This is what he did. Salam Mustapha, 1st March 2012. What is Atta doing to the baby? This is what Mustapha Salam did on social media. I am trying to let you know these people. Kwasiawe, 39-year-old boy. Before my first girlfriend, no JSS. We're in a leading NPP youth. It is Canada Japan supporters and sorry made in a chinko press conference and demonstration. Because Bawumia say Jessica demonstration into NPP 4 and sorry made the way. This is what he put on social media. He's saying, say, yache fanti comedy, yache say Obama, in conformity na TV, so say Yankoku president and then the Yirinkanity. Kwasia wage na TV, so your press conference, mentioning my name. What Salam Mustapha can take care of you. And there was still a demonstration. It's pay attention. Opeso Saya, the leader of the NPP youth. Now, more NPP youth na no. Sa kwasia we ne dimwenim as the youth of the NPP. Sa kwasia we ne dimwenim as the youth. Why not the America party no? Bawumia ene so nkoye demonstration. Mahamudu Bawumia na amani sika so nkoye demonstration. Press conference organizing Bawumia na man sika. Because near Tiana Mka just a party nika preda ho. Mahamudu Bawumia na man sika. So on fanko demonstration. Enti Canada inkwara na jiminti. NPP for the jiminti. Omo moye alankash nkofo mo omo jiminti no ma sorry. Ye ko di eye demonstration ichi. Adea Mustapha Salam. I can show you things Akra will throw on social media and the things he said when he was giving power. Hey, let me play one video. Now I'm going back to 2012. No my boy wish a year of Ghana. No, he did 26 years. He's just 39 years. Where saw you in Cremoni or the mama above form? Now me yen Cremoni, but what lie? Nyama minimo nkrimumu we oye nkrimuni oye preko. Allah huni preko ohuno a typical pig. Sakura wa the mama bofuma ne to be to say preko. Allah see him as a pig. And then we sit in Ghana and we entertain these people in Ghana in the name of politics. Mamencha idea about course atroye Mustapha Salam. Rather than go on. Me to my mouth. Sanko siafo we. Masa yawo. Yeah, look at this. I'm showing you. When I saw a demonstration, no. Mustapha Salam, they're not sure. Ghana is witnessing the action of this evil juju ring on Mel's finger. Ghana is witnessing the actions of this evil juju ring on Mel's finger. This ring was given to him in a secret cult he belongs to with Professor Awuno. This is the reason behind all the unprecedented and gargantuan carnage Ghana has witnessed in the last few years under his president. Say no to occultic rule. This boy called Mustapha Salam, 39-year-old Kwateboto. 39-year-old Kwateboto. Where no NPP anymore? This thing, and this thing is going to bring the youth of Ghana to follow the NPP. Now in Cremoni or the mama about former in Cremoni papa. Now with the Kwasia which say waiting and be the NPP. Tell me catch them all. And tough for the be no more people. Wow, Jimmy. Yenya come for me MPP. I know what I'm talking about. Or yeah, press conference in there. Or yeah, press conference in there. Shemwa omo mujina de chi. Omo MPP ba power omo di sika e jina power no. Did you see anybody behind him? Did you even regard this fool? These are dirty people. These are foolish people. These are terrible bastards. We are not even supposed to listen. It's ways of a demonstration. We'll be the chi. So when you come kona kokoda, maybe what time fucking. Me just come as me to me shop mo sa MPP. Omo kasa me to me shop mo sa na ma wusu bitimi to wemu. Awurade Nyankopon. Me say omo mo be di sika no. Omo me share suit be di sika no. Akamfo no, achemfo ne asantefo no. Omo akotene fie. En ye yitani aboa. Ye yitani aboa wa MPP mu se bra na be kontokwa be demonstration. Into achina opie na ntokwa si na akora de chini body tribute to us ye na ye ntafo amwa ye wo party nim. Me se mo ntafo ni bia mo MPP no mo agimi. Hwe sala cow no, hwe na ndwie no. Akwa we run the boxer shorts to wa. Sa Masaudu or run the boxer shorts to na wo hwe mu a. I saw the Tutuchi KVIP so. Dirty guy. He sweats like a pig. Filthy, stinky people. These are people who cannot lead a political party. Okay, Omunya 2 minutes. This is what they did. But I'm sure when they were in power, TSCB anana no kasatie. Hear what he said. No more to me. Tama no more power. Here Mustapha Salam. Tieno.
Might happen there. But of course, we came out in full force. We didn't give a damn what was going to happen. One thing I said it to the police, and let me repeat it. My principle as a person, me, the fact that I am born with 2 balls under my legs, no man is better than me as far as you have 2 balls. So if you do anything, I'll retaliate. I'll give it back to you. Yes, that's my principle. That's why I call all the boys. And I have a reserve. You know, still waiting. If they want a show, I'll give them a show. A showdown there.
This is a political party.
If lunatics would not behave, I would have knocked the foolishness out of them.
These are people that are fighting for a common goal, as they say.
They are not fighting for any goal.
They are saying they are calling for Galamsey to stop, which I'm sure is something.
The bush is there. They are in the forest. They go there.
Listen, if you want to stop Galamsey,
they should go there. You understand?
Yes.
They should go there.
So you think where they are doing the protest is wrong?
I'm not saying whatever. If they want a show, I'll give them a show. A showdown there.
This is a political party.
If lunatics would not behave, I would have knocked the foolishness out of them.
These are people that are fighting for a common goal, as they say.
They are not fighting for any goal.
They are saying they are calling for Galamsey to stop, which I'm sure is something.
The bush is there. They are in the forest. They go there.
Okay, omo power na enkofo eye stop Galamsey demonstration. Mustapha Salam can say wure mu ho munko wure mu ko demonstration. Kwasia we, kwasia ba. Kwasia wo. Ema kwasia be di MPP edim. Time na what to me no. Amanfo can say we want Galamsey to stop. Ojoin we catch the Ghana for say omo me demonstration no. They should go into the bush. This guy says he's the national youth organizer of the NPP. Into another demonstration to Ghana youth in NPA. Kwasi we jina TV so catch the whole Ghana say face the country for ne omo demonstrate the youth of Ghana demonstration under Akufo-Addo no. Or see in Wurem near Gala into Amonko Wurem. Memo Bian and to Ghana Accra Quine so enkoyek demonstration tia Galamsey. And then come one Kwasiafoe, Kwasiaba we catch say, obey demonstration yet Yankofo with this so. Or no catch say, ya per se demonstration. Ghana for person demonstration. Galan ye Wurem into Ghana for Wurem. And the better way person demonstration Accra Street is so. Of Fred demonstrators, lunatics. Unim lunatic otiasie OTPs otiasie. Obi a waboda manesi. Obi na no as a national youth organizer, the party what power. Ojina national TV so can say Ghana youth na omo demonstrate tia gala and the kufu ade Bawumia no. Omo ye lunatics or say omo ye abodamfo asefo. These are lunatics. Kwasi awe ye press conference abomi mi din. On say, it do some time. I advise the young people in Ghana. You need to choose wisely who you follow. We are a party in NGO. We are a party preco. NPP for they will never. Hey, we or losing the position as executive or NPP more. He's nothing. I'm about power 80 years. I'm using this boah. Bawumia na shedechi. Kwa press conference, na kwa demonstration. Now you say NPP ni team no. Ghana ni youth onimi nyansa na sorry say me be di Mustapha Salam Mustapha because Bawumia say be demonstration. Na NPP for na sorry. Mustapha Salam say oh yeah national na party kwa power pamu efrim. NPP for ye man ke to abande. NPP for ye man ke to abande. Anka woni kala sala ka one sa na na binkwa ke apamu efrim dada. NPP as a political party, omu nyina Acheampong say ankochina nke beto aba. Na mo say memi din na mo be to buy popular party mu. With the poison. You have murdered sleep. Mustapha Salam, you will never sleep in your life. You will sleep no more. Me catch them waha. I will control this party. The destiny of the party is with me here in America. And nobody can rescue this party from the bondage I have put you in. Where I have placed the party, nobody on earth. Nobody can rescue this party. It is done. And my job on this planet is to make sure me good party way. And my show too for bo. Say, me yes I will nullify the party. I mentioned my DB and they see it. Mr. P, Mr. S, should we move forward? And then Friday. I like you for more. Go for away.
So when you come kokoda say wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho ba ye den eman so when you come kokoda say wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho ba ye den eman
ye gina NPP for so ye nyam free omo so ye gina no so and the dey na see wa santimemu ye see wa santimemu nie momo ya mmoa o Bantama, a dear see ye say, and a commission a year party office, our Bantama, our Santimemu, the NPP, J. Ekufo Kobi, Nanado Danko Ekufuado Sukobi, Omoko ye den wa Bantama, Omoko commission party office. What did they do? What did they go do in Ashanti region? J. Ekufo free Eastern region, Ebri, ena Oba Kumasi Accra, ena Obefa plane, ena Odiba Kumasi, ena Acheampong no sukofa plane, ena no so ba Kumasi, ena se di no mobile, almost say asenso bu achi say we see party office. Ewo the constituency, inti party mpedifo, ex-presidents. The party's ex-president, two most important people in the NPP, they flew to Kumasi to go and commission Asensubuachi constituency. We see party office. We are going now here. We are team pa. These are the two most important people in the party. Two former ex-presidents. Or two former presidents, sorry. Omo jai de omo ye nyina so mo kokuma se bantama you see party office 2 rooms. And they are going there or they went there to commission the 2 rooms. Let's watch. They see what comes in them. You are mature David. Wasi afo we na mumudi di omochi.
Now we jack as a money the ama the original organizer. Both sides. The original organizer. Both sides.
Intende omko kumasi so makwesi osunu fie. Omakwesi osunu fie obantama 2 rooms. Almost a party office. Asan so boachi na MP na wesi. Okay. Na ebibi vo pare wajimi o. Na o hwe osunu fie na omosi na wajimi go wajimi. Anything I for party pedifoni nyina baaye. Party office oh. Let me show you the picture of Osunufie no. I'm see a friend of Osunufie enie. And into omu nyina free crying. And then you see Osunufie e bantama as en so boachi ne see ye. 80 former president ni nyina omo party omu di party ni no omu nyina ba. Abetena patase. Obi abo the to powder abo pons. E de eye case roll on afana motiom. Asha Whitechapel abetena apatase. Say ye be bie Osunufie no. Now, omu bie Osunufie no ena ye se Ekufuado mbekasa. As penyini a odi party ni ma wedi president pen. Onfa nanu asem ntudwa. Because oye penyini odi party nenim and wedi president pen. And majority of voter onyade be di president na efi asantememu. Inti oye penyini a yehu ne se onim nyansan de onfa na no entum na yenko enim na yehu se ne a ebusuafo ne nkora o be hye nyina no ebehu nyansa eda ne tirim na na adoda nko ekufu ado kasa emu menkotie almost so I could see Osunufie or Bantama. How's that for say? Osunufie, you can house them say Gidangiwa. Gidangiwa. Omako Kumasa could see Gidangiwa. There I go. I go for you. Jimmy Bruta. I will Jimmy the dear. Kenten Bawku. Omako Kumasa could see Gidangiwa. Yes, Osunufie. The house on Sanya Kano. Gidangiwa. Omako see Gidangiwa. Osunufie o Kumasi. Bantama. Inti. Ekufuado Bekasano or say Ekufuado is suffering from dementia, which is fine. Old age, it comes with it. Ekufuado Kasano or say or no any J Ekufuo a Juma or my yeno and then a day NPP Beba Power 2028 yeah. Ekufuado's memory half has been washed away. Until I understand. Nanado Danko Ekufuado, his memory half has been washed away. And so I understand when he speaks like that. Into Kumas no Mokoe no, ono na no asem nyina ne say, yo bia hu de ekoso enko yie. Into ono ene kufu adwuma omo ye no, ene na the NPP Beba Power 2028. And the question here is, woni kufu adwuma ben pa na mo ye wa santimemu a na wugina no. Two former presidents comes to cut short for Gidangiwa for a 2-bedroom party office. 2 ex-presidents. 2 ex-presidents. It will be free Accra ba Kumasi. Kumasi na unya 51% na. At the end of the day, you ended up with 41%. You know. Uba Kumasi to come and commission a Gidangiwa or Sunufie 2-bedroom office. And then why bold enough to stand in Kumasi to say, only J.A. Kufuor be the president 27 years in 25 years in J.A. Kufuor be the president from the year 2000 to 2025. It did 25 years. And you stand in Kumasi. Now we be wanakacha Ghana for say, where's the Gidangiwa? Where's the Osunufie? Inti wo record. Now, what is the record? Record ben na wo any record ben Ekufuado Kufuor wa. But to be jina santimemu went to membie wa no anka. From baby a wujina no all the way to Sewia Hospital. Ekwane nye. Asenso Boache kwasi ampenyi a wesi party office no. Obeye roads minister. Asenso Boache. When tumi anya kwan po every baby or bantama anko Sewia regional hospital when tumi pa anya Asenso Boache ne konse bodua J.A. Kufuor betena Ghana so 8 years. J.A. Kufuor to when tumi anje ma kan kasa mini Kufuor we na meme ye we neku we Kufuor kra when tumi mbie wa no anka se ade a me ye wa santimemu nie. Also, when a Kufuor de mo ye, when a Kufuor de na mo ye at the NPP Beba Power. Because from what I know, who Nanado Danko Kufuor, when a Kufuor, won kwao, ye Kufuor, na Kufuor ade as we speak today. A dear pana was antimemua, and I walk Ghana ha a ye addicted to a Kufuor between the says to say me woo am of Ankaime. Kufuor emergency. Kufuor emergency. Asantini odi mokodi nchine ayeyi to me di amao. Asantifo nyine free Ghana amao to me. The only thing you can talk about to Emma Kufuor asantimemu any Kufuor emergency. 2 rooms. One Kufuor at this stage so no. The two of you will be able to find in some point bibia. Ebwa Ghana, Ebwa Asante. You cannot point to a single thing in Ashanti region. A single thing. One Kufuor 32 years. J.A. Kufuor ne wu Ekufuado. Mumienu, mokamu record boma. The two of you cannot point to 1 or 2 things in the Ashanti region. 16 years between one Kufuor, when to see 1 regional hospital Ashanti me 1. 16 years between one Kufuor, when to see 1 school. Ewa Ashanti memua. Eye university, when to see Bawku. When J.A. Kufuor, you cannot boast of 1 company that belongs to the government in Ashanti region. When Kufuor, you cannot boast of anything meaningful to say eja. Mwesiama santimai eja. When Kufuor 16 years. You cannot point to a single roader. Ubetimaka say, mene kufo ba 60 years when ya yama santi kufo se oye overhead asafo. Ubotra ubetima abatra. Are you people not ashamed? Yet kromha and I would say me kufo da wa dwene half ahohoro. Mutna TV so catch the Ghana fo nyina say mo ba be si schools yet ya. What do Asantimemu could not point to one traffic light? Onekofo, Muntumi pointed to one traffic light. Amoyema Asantimine. There's no need to insult you people. You are too old to be insulted. You need to sit and worry in your record. You see, you need to reflect on your record. And then the two of you sitting on one stage, Monferry, are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Say, Yaba Santimemu, this is what we came to Ashanti region to commission. Ko ejeso, John Kuma, Oko ejeswa, hospital oho, NPP headquarters, FHA hospital. John Kuma, ewuye, yenya hospital amfananko. Asenso Boache, he might face the same fate that John Kuma faced here. With Jimmy, instead of him to look at hospital, to build a hospital, to build a dia, a bit to be crazy or no nema amenkwano, or so we see Gidangiwa or Sunufie party office. Intenda na dwi asenso boache nakoma yare ba obewu. You know why? Because in Bantama, in the Ashanti region, no hospital can save him. Intenda Mumon. Don't you feel shy? The only thing you could say is say, Ejuma ya the Ebeba power 2028. 2028 power nkwana modwere ho. Won fere so ogina santimemu. Kase 2028 power ne yepe. Went to mbie wa no ambobɔ nyoma so ankyra santefo. JA ku 40 ho. Asenso boacha bebie crime office. Aha na afa na krono no yebɛbɔ afiri. Ya gigiska bia aha na yeba begige no. Ye bibia connection bia ba high meeting. Asenso boacha bie crime office wo Bantama. Ɛhɔ na sanyame boa na etumi wini power 2042 a ɛno na yebetumi ɛde ahyehye nkrata ɛde awi asante. Inti wotumi ahohoro to abegina asantememu between you Ekufuado and Ekufo 16 years. More than hoko kumasi ko yie de bia ntumi nkyira asantefo de ma ya ma asante. 16 years. No university na Ghana mo betuma ka se mo pathway dombo buzia zoo way you were able to build not one single university. Dombo buzia dankwa was a DND. You cannot boast of one single regional hospital. Dombo buzia DND. You cannot boast of one factory built by you people. Dombo just say I say muni munyansa. I say muni munyansa. Na inti mo pesa mo bedi Ghana so the DND na mo pesa mo bedi Ghana so. Why? Why do you people want to lead Ghana? You need to tell us why you want to lead Ghana. Mama yehu reason tia mo person will be Ghana so. Asenso boache be a crime office. Enya krono na yebebo no ha. Ede na mbedo ha. 2-bedroom office we. Enya krono na mbebo. We ji yesika ena yetia dues ena we ama ena we di ye ena ekwa yie no ena we sika ama enya nkwasi ade ntia mu bi esade we. Ede na mu bi de aye. You have 2 former presidents. Mutumi serve 8 years. Sebio asantifo biye jiminti. Ya to abasa and train ya mobile power. You share stage and you cannot even tell the people what you did specifically. Kaoje Mike no. Kawaka se mini anom. Ucha weni ha. Die yesi hei a ebu asanti. Ucha weni ha. Die yesi a ebu asanti. Ucha weni ha. Uwia ose yebe jina we so die ewini power. Ose mini Ekufuado mene Ekufuado ya ejuma ya ye. Nana danko Ekufuado ejuma ni bia maye no any DDEP. Mo beje Ghana fo sika di ye woni webusuafo Ekufuado. Ene na de over power 2028 no. We are talking about who free power uja 38% because of your corruption The criminality you built as a government. 38% now down power. Because Nipana no do with ya ni Juma Aya Bawumia or your truthful Ghana for whom Bonia na Moody. 38%. That is your track record. Ufri power, now inflation was 57. And then I would about power 2028. And the inflation is less than 21%. Ufri power, now inflation. Now it was 57%. And the interest rate is 21.5. Inflation has dropped all the way to like 11, below 11. And the inflation is around 11, 12. Ufri power, now inflation was 57. And then about 2028, you could not build a single regional hospital in 8 years. A single. Agenda 111 went to Mensiba Kumo Batan Kumanko. And then the interest on Tuaba, my NPP 2028. Where Jumano Ebino. Now, you could not build one university, one from scratch. One university for this country. You could not build one university in Ghana. 8 years. We paid you, we fed you. You could not build one nursing college. One nursing college. You could not build one nursing college. Say Akwaranko, Enkosia nursing. You could not build one training college. One. When I was here, o record niya yem fanko to aba ma NPP 2028 ema Bawumia ana hwan. Nana do danko kufuado. Your family members, about 60 family and friends, o set a record e bin serious da in your government. Near to Ghana, I'm showing you some of your record. A whole media house recognized around the world did a documentary on you, Alistair Matthias, illegal gold smuggling. We were in this country. A whole Al Jazeera did a documentary with your name in it. Alistair Matthias, now we did boom, Ojaka is Ode, Al Jazeera, Kokot, ever seen there. And when a young show won to Abamau, we were here. Gold mafia.
Alistair Matthias designed structures specifically to hide state capture funds. An initial word of advice for our undercover reporter: put Mr. Stanley's money in her name.
The politician, for example, I buy a lot of stuff in my name on behalf of politicians. If Stanley trusts you, he can keep things in your name. You have to have someone that you trust as possible. Politicians, they don't have the name owning anything. They always have a proxy that represents them. Pretty much everyone. Even in Russia, they have someone that they trust, that maybe a nephew or a cousin that holds all the assets. Africa, same thing. Someone they trust that runs all the businesses, and they continue being politicians. In Africa, I do government contracts. In Ghana, big tenders, construction of roads, procurement, supplying different things, oil, this and there, all the politicians get taken care of indirectly, which is what allows me to do all my other stuff freely.
So the government contracts is the way you reward the politicians, basically.
So what happens? The government will give me a contract. There's a lot of commissions involved. You want a commission, you want a commission.
Commissions in international rules of anti-corruption is basically synonymous with bribery. So when it says commissions, I hear bribes.
The second oldest. See, if you're a politician and you do a contract, you're not going to tell the whole world you're getting 10%. No one can do it. But you trust me, so you say, we'll keep it with you.
Matthias acts as a bank for corrupt leaders.
I earn the commission for that. Then it's a matter of they tell me, okay, pay that, move it here, move that. So for example, Ghana government, Matthias Holding, I get the contract. I subcontract it to you. $100 million contract. Ghana government pays me $100 million. I give it to you and you say it's $80 million.
The contract is inflated $20 million above its real cost.
If I have an agreement with that, then you get proceed. So now we probably $5 million.
Matthias banks the $15 million for the corrupt politicians until they need it.
It's like all of it at once. And wherever they want it, stop me aside. That's how I do it.
That is the way in which corruption is facilitated. To create the corrupt funds, the corrupt commission, is exactly how it's described. They'd overpay it and create an extra bunch of money that can be used to pay a politician.
The most important thing for me in Africa is people trust me. All the politicians trust that whatever money I have on theirs is safe. That's the biggest confidence that I have. They trust me because they know that I'll pay their commission.
This is Ekufuado. This is your record. Near to Kroma. And our time ambulance contract ma o Bajan Kroma. These are the records we are talking about. You ambulance contract o Bajan Kroma na otamano near waha. We were here. And our time contract Emma ayedian. Was it o employ to head Gehok Kofi Juma kwasi ampenyino. Oware neba bema ware obaba. And our time Gehok ma Kofi Juma. And a Kofi Juma to no din kwasi asem. You did not say open record the about power 2028. And I will bottom. Sometimes you speak as if say Yatigana as you answer. So you speak anyhow and you walk. It's OJ Mike, it's all about Yehudi Eko and Koye. It's time to me now. Only MPP, no. It is you are still waiting for power. Never back of what obey. Toilet no be see wa Ghana. We no to gold chain to the comb. Yantigroma. Small girl be from America beji $200,000 to go. Ni go Ghana. Yaba pack of war. Edian or ye. Ghana at 50. Maybe ready a report to forensic audit. Actually say Kofo Krawasanke jailino. Kojon Pieni Reku Brobe. We after Ghana at 50. Sika Muriaye. The committee's report recommendation. I read it on this show. J Kofo, what is so good about him? Yati Hana Kofo Hotel Wawa ni antikroma ha. Yati kroma Kofo to see one hospital was antimemu. Well to see one factory was antimemu. Jay Kufo to see one university was antimemu 8 years a year no koye. Edian na mo musumu jina so dia be den. Yati kroma ye Kufo gallon. Jay Kufo beto eye de dum so wentuma solve the opiama Atta mills. Ofri abamu or pass a single spine salary. Said the ending, and the two Atta mills so o collapse ya bino. And ya Kufo mrena aye ekuf or safma for now no saboto. Eko eye salon kwaji loan. Yenti kroma. Yenti kroma. 50 cents ye gold to the com ebon ho samrani ye ho number 1 gold dealer or Ghana. Niente Ghana. And I could gold chain to the com. Yan yanga say gold kon na wa bruchiri. Yenti kroma na we Kufuado. Obeye eye de ejapade anka motam Ghana egudie nyina de akọ UK. Yenti kroma. Record ben na wo kan wasama yentam. Je Kufuado ko hepic. Redenomination Kufo Edison Ghana Sika Edison economy. I read to you the reasons for redenomination. J Kufo Bogana no Tifie Onu Onim Diawaye. Do people think we have forgotten about all these HEPIC toilets? 2 ex-presidents tip stage, so you could not mention even 2 projects in your name in the regional power no. Now, what to work cancer munichire? Adentra, Mama Yankasa, open power. Into ye Jimmy Tiansan to lie. Niantum, Yantam to me, Bawumia. Now, one sign, I social distribution. I say you to the form. Gas, I want who you now call. Was starting size boom. No home for no. But a person be 7 1 ding. Ekufuado is sick, is very sick. He's unwell. Nana Danko Ekufuado is not looking good. He's not feeling well. Or better no, but a person BB. Oh, I am still Ekufuado. I didn't born at Trasie. He is not well one bit. But Shotanga, oh Meko Webi, oh Mechanko for some more ding. He's sick. Shotanga outside gentility home crying a question. And the trousers seni line a done trousers seni. I saw Ojeje Koleba Uzbekistan. He lie a done trousers seni. I saw Ojeje Koleba. Nanado Dan Kufuor the president. Ahombaso a hand time. Suddenly, the wardrobe in a big fan. The wardrobe in Jinajina so. Osheshe eye abonkele suit. And then in some hunu no odi wa Ghana. Utu nipa fo. Oma nipa oma ni to me. Akwawe atakura your man is to me in some huna odi no Ghana. Or to make a whole regional minister. Sorry ko ni about a national anthem or hini bit to form nanado dankwe kufuado akwawe. We saw it. Or to be smart giant. Henry Cote, yeah, born national anthem, or he be home for no eto, or to me stop, sorry, Coco, never bad to me epic phone calls, text whilst national anthem is playing. Atakran kan ho hwe and wabegina stage ne trials anu fi ekekansem hunu kire nipa yen nyina ntam to me ma MPP. You have to be prosecuted. You have to be in jail. Wo Ekufuado. You are supposed to die in jail. Wo anko so demwa go be so be wo jail. Nyoma why ya wasabeji Mike be kansem hunu se de e ko ne nkoso. An enko yie na wo na ekɔ yie ma wo. Na wo gina wo yanka se ekɔ yie. Wuna na Ekufuado ujina wo ekɔ yie. Usita na wo sha why pampi I say show boy ni nyina ayira and shall trousers lie dem. Shall trousers line a dem. I saw ojeje koleba ewo Uzbekistan. And the size boom na show ora gas who be a ko because you are not a good person. You don't have a good heart. You came to destroy. Only J. Ekufuor Ghana more than any president in our history. And it hurts me say, Yabapa Kufuor, or sorry, not oko event be not on what to the same stage. So, inti unsem hunu no kana akokano, and na me Yama Kufuor. Na me Kufuor, program be we Kufuor bakwa bakwa na nchen. Na na Kufuor do ani asra. Na na do dan Kufuor do, wa ani asra no nam. Ye ka politics mu ate ye ka so obi ate or politics mu krono wane asra ma ebon ho Ekufuor ye politics mu ate e die na akwa we atakora anye no Ghana na Ekufuor e die na atakora anye ende ye ohima da ne benkum so hwe die na ekoso e okuma ase ogoka ntese obi beje wano esi bone ye na party flags bu bonkofo komu okuma ase ohima kese ewu Yemu bi ayi se nwan. Enti uye yese oye politics na obi nya santini kasetia wa na ye woya. Because yemu bi asantifo ni bi ye jimi. Ene guwade ene ewu ye na ewu ye nyina ye som ye na ewu ye kra ye pra nechi. Ya dane se yemu bi ayi se nwan. Ye ntumi pu ye for politics in 2 seconds na ye nye yempo. Ya ayi se moa. Yemu bi e yiase ne ye politics. Ye nimu nyansa ye ntumi nwene ena ya MPP na jimi ye woni ye betoma na ye tom say kutu say bambini ni edem ye de binim ye de MPP bininim ye nyini a ye nyini ye disa ni abodam say kutu bambini no MPP say kutu binino ni edem ye wo ye nya ni edem ni tafri ye de bro ye ho ye de bininim wa MPP binimu ane de nyini ye nimu nyansa ohima adane benkum so otufo say tutu be ma kanisiesi so esu ehini no na ye de jimi ye nana ena ewuo this guy say nwan ye mu bi guy say nwan guy say imponche. It's very sad, very terrible. I see a way to party binim ye di binina na ye de nyini ye nyini na abodam ye kamoni manambu ofu